students, today we are going to study the traffic signals. Traffic signals basically have three shades or three colors: red, amber, or it is also called yellow, and green. Amber is the right word, but since we are common people, we treat or we say it as yellow. You can see the signals flashing over here: red, green, yellow. Now, when the signal goes red, the traffic comes to a halt. That means the signal is allowing people to cross the road, or also the vehicles to move from one end to another side. Red light means to come to complete stop at the crossroads and check for oncoming traffic and give way to others. The second slide is showing you the zebra crossing. You have to cross at the zebra crossing. When you are crossing, you have to look towards your right and left side and not use your mobiles or other devices when you are crossing the road. This can cause a mishap to you or your loved ones. Here in the first slide, which is showing the signal green, the moving traffic, red stops. In the second slide, this is a cycle man. He's showing you the distance between the cycle and the big vehicle should be a distance of 1.5 meters so as to avoid traffic congestion and also the accidents. Here, this is a stop symbol which is being shown. When the stop symbol is being shown, all have to stop. This is giving emphasis on the wearing of a helmet. Now, here I can give you an incidence that we are having cases of corona, which is an unknown disease which was there. But have we ever considered how many people we lose due to accidents? How many are injured permanently due to accidents? So now we have to learn as students that rules, regulations are meant for the safety of us and not for others. So if you follow the rules and regulations, if you imbibe in yourself the rules and regulations, there'll be no problem. We can always overcome this death rate, this injury rate, and nothing like it. Let's go to the next slide. This slide is very important because these are certain symbols which we should learn or which we should remember or which should be knowledgeable. You should be knowledgeable with these symbols. This is a stop symbol. A stop means stop. This is a triangle which is inverted, which means you have to give way to the other vehicle. This symbol shows the traffic can be coming from this end. Okay, that is one way. When such a symbol is shown, it is no entry. That means you are not supposed to enter into that particular zone. This is also a one-way symbol. This was in the downward direction. This is in the upward direction. This is one way both the directions. Okay, that means it is only and only that side should be in. It can either be in the upward or the downward. This is no right turns allowed, no left turns allowed, one way, no U-turns. Here, no overtaking. See, you can see the symbol, no overtaking. Horns prohibited. Horns are prohibited in places where the traffic is near the hospitals, or we can say school areas or general places where there is old age homes and all those things. This symbol shows you that the speed should not exceed a 65 km per hour limit. The speed should not exceed be more than 65 kilometers per hour. Compulsorily, you have to turn left. Compulsorily, you have to move ahead. This you can move towards the right. Compulsorily ahead, or you can take a right turn. This is compulsorily ahead, or you take a left turn. This is compulsorily left. Here you have to blow a horn. Earlier I told you horns prohibited. But on the curves, on the curvature roads, you should blow a horn so that if there is a vehicle coming from front and because of the curved road, the person is unable to see, he'll be aware due to the horn. Now here there are traffic safety rules which you have to follow. You have to, at the signal, do not stop your vehicle on the pedestrian, that is zebra crossing. Two-wheelers, you have to carry only two people. No, not even the child, small kids are allowed. Do not start your vehicle on the amber light. Okay. When the light is yellow, generally people do not have the time to wait for even 2 to 3 seconds and just move out. Do not drive in a zigzag manner. These are certain rates for which the offenses such as reckless driving, using a mobile phone, excess of luggage, driving uninsured vehicle, driving vehicle without registration, driving transport vehicle without fitness, violating road safety rules, wrong parking or no parking. These are the rates of the penalties which you have to pay if you are going or showing any of these offenses. Now, traffic safety at vehicle. You should always use a helmet when you are on a two-wheeler and fix the strap properly. You should speed the speed limit which you are given. You should not overcome that speed limit. You should stick to, or you should remain to your speed limit. You should keep enough distance between two vehicles so as to avoid collision if sudden brake are applied. Yellow lines should not be crossed under any condition. These are top safety tips for children while crossing the road. On a green light, look both ways, listen to the traffic. Round the corner, do not run on the roadway if you are around the corner. Do not jaywalk. Jaywalk means walk in your own manner. Watch out for big cars. You should not play behind the cars. Generally, we are used to, no? Getting off the bus, when you are getting off the bus, watch out the motorcycles or the vehicles coming from the behind. Crossing the road without signal light, you have to pay additional attention before crossing. If you are crossing without signal lights, where there is a road, there are no signal lights, you have to be very careful. You have to wear a seat belt when you are seated at the back side of the seat. You should not play between two car stations side by side. Use safety gear on bicycles and inline skates. These are the rules for RSP. We generally use this symbol, or you must have seen traffic police people halting the traffic from front and back, from both sides back, from the left and from the front, from the left front and right side. This is from the front side. Here you are seeing some of the motions which can be seen. If you go closely and look at it, this fellow is saying that I'm going to speed up. So he's showing a particular symbol. Just check out the symbol. He's extending his arm straight out and palm is facing upwards. Slow down. He's saying that I'm going to slow down due to certain problems in front, and he's showing his palm is facing down and the swing is also down. Here he's showing you, you lead, come. You can come in front. He's extending his arm 45 degree and palm forward. Here He is trying to say that this is a comfort stop. So please stop. I'm stopping for some reason. It is a comfort stop. Okay. Your turn signal on. You put your signal. He's opening and closing his hands and fingers with thumb extended. Pull off. He's telling that you can move ahead, pull off, and arm position as for the right turn for forearm swung towards the shoulder inside. Cops ahead, wear your helmet. Okay. Fuel arm out to side pointing to tank with finger extended. Okay. These are some of the things you should go through, and be careful to wear a helmet. Ask your elders, ask your brothers and sisters to do the same. If you insist, will surely be able to overcome all the traffic injuries that are happening. Here, our motto is road safety. The key word is Amche Jeevan Seveसाठी. He is the pioneer of RSP. You can play this audio, and after playing this audio, you'll be able to see that we at this end can reduce the increased road accident and improve the road safety. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye till then.